Okay, so the next step now is to just align the front panels with the back panels so that we can sew the shoulder seam. We finished the pockets on the front panels, and I think they turned out good. So now we just need to align the panels together so that we can, I'm not pinning them, we're just going to align them like this, and then maybe I'll put one pin there, but it's just so that we can sew the shoulder seams together. And when we finished with that, we will the first step is to overlock the shoulders of the shoulder seams up here, and then we're going to overlock the armhole, and then we're going to do top stitching. That exact those steps I haven't sorted out yet. Maybe I will overlock the shoulder seam and then do a top stitch, and then after that I will do an overlock stitch here by the armhole, so that we can turn it, because this will be an open armhole. On the one that I finished already, let me see where it is. You can see there's no binding there. It is just an overlock stitch, and then the seam was just the seam was just turned. So then and a top stitch, it rounds it off nicely, and it is a nice and clean stitch. There's no bulk there. So now this one is finished. So we're going to move on to the next one. This is a small. We just lie them there. We put them right-sized sides facing each other so that we can do that stitch on top. It's just easier if we do it like this. You can sit there by the machine and also align them quickly, but I don't think it's necessary. I somewhere do it here. Then I know everything is fine. When we do the 60, because this is just the first thing, I might do that. Okay, so it's just a quick exercise, this one. Just remember to see small, turn them. I'll in any case check them again when I'm sitting there in front of the overlocker, but it's going to go very fast now. Put them together just like this quickly. In any case, going to take them out there and redo them. Okay, so let me finish the rest quickly.